Alright, let's get into it. A lot of folks still look at rimfire rifles like they're just plinkers, grown-up toys for the backyard. But those of us who spend serious time behind the trigger know there is real, match-grade performance to be had in the 22 long rifle category. The truth is, not all rifles chambered in 22 long rifle are built the same. Some of them are priced like a decent used car. And frankly, some of them are worth every penny. So, we figured it was time to line them up and see which ones really stand apart. In this roundup, we are breaking down the top 6 rimfire rifles for the year 2025. We're covering everything from budget-friendly rigs for plinking, all the way up to finely tuned precision shooters. Whether you're shopping for your first bolt action to punch some paper, or you're looking to upgrade to a lightweight carbon-barreled tack driver that shoots as good as it looks, this list has you covered. And no, this is not just another list praising the Ruger 1022. We are talking about bolt-action tack drivers you can get for under $400, factory-threaded barrels, BX pattern mags, and actions that shrug off heat like a champ. These are the rifles that are pushing the boundaries of what a 22 long rifle is capable of. Whether you're clearing pests off the property, chasing small game through the woods, or dialing in tight groups at a formal match, this lineup is the real deal. Let's jump into the top 6 rimfire rifles that deserve a permanent spot in your gun safe this year. Number 6. CZ-457 MTR. When you're ready to get serious about precision rimfire, the CZ-457 Match Target Rifle, or MTR, is where the conversation starts. This isn't just a standard model. This variant of the proven 457 platform is engineered from the ground up for tight groups, competition, and absolute repeatability. Priced around $875, the MTR gives you a true match-grade chamber, a heavy 20.5-inch barrel, and one of the cleanest, most intuitive safeties in the business. This isn't just marketing hype. With premium match ammo, like Lapua Center X, I've seen these rifles print 5-round groups measuring just 0.35 minutes of angle at 50 yards. Folks, that is bench rest level performance, right out of the box. Even with inexpensive bulk ammo like Federal Automatch, it'll still keep all its shots under an inch. The MTR is also a work of art. The walnut stock is perfectly squared off and checkered exactly where you need a solid grip. The bolt throw is engineered to give you plenty of clearance for large objective scopes, and the safety lever is side-mounted, like a centerfire rifle, instead of on the tang, which allows for a much more natural and repeatable trigger pull. One of its best features is the modularity. You can swap barrels with just 2 set screws. That means caliber changes are fast and you don't need to pay a gunsmith to do it. The 11mm dovetail on top is ready for most European-style scope rings without any adapters. The bottom line? The CZ-457 MTR is a serious shooter's rifle. It's deadly accurate, beautifully built, and ready for competition the day you buy it. Number 5. Lithgow LA101. Coming out of New South Wales, Australia, the Lithgow LA101 is built for one purpose: surviving rugged terrain. This is a bolt-action rimfire that blends field-tough durability with legitimate precision, and it doesn't compromise on either. With a street price just over $1,100, this rifle delivers a premium feature set and rock-solid reliability. The 21-inch barrel is hammer-forged to military specifications, and both the action and the barrel are fully Cerakoted. That means this rifle is built to shrug off rain, snow, and mud without rusting up or binding. It comes standard with suppressor-ready threading at 1/2 by 28 UNEF. With subsonic ammo like Norma's, I was pulling consistent groups averaging 0.8 minutes of angle at 85 yards, even with a little wind. The LA101's trigger is a crisp single-stage unit that breaks clean at just under 3 pounds, which is perfect for shooting in cold weather with gloves on. The synthetic stock is molded with reinforced nylon walls, keeping it rigid and stable, no matter the conditions. Even the sling mounts are molded into the stock, not just bolted on, which adds strength right where you need it. One of the smartest design choices? The magazines follow the CZ-452 and 455 pattern, so replacements are cheap and available everywhere. The bolt features a smooth 3-lug lockup that cycles cleanly without any drama. Whether you're pushing through heavy brush or holding for a tight group on a windy hillside, the Lithgow LA101 is a no-nonsense performer that lives up to its price. Number 4. Tikka T1X. If you've ever had your hands on one of Tikka's centerfire rifles, you already know the level of engineering the Finns bring to the table. The Tikka T1X is, quite simply, a scaled-down version of their legendary T3X, and it delivers that exact same high-end performance in a rimfire package. Priced at roughly $650, this bolt-action comes with a cold hammer-forged 20-inch barrel that holds its zero, even after long strings of fire. Instead of a Picatinny rail, the T1X receiver has an 11mm dovetail cut, which allows you to mount most European optics directly to the receiver for a lower, more stable setup. In terms of performance, this rifle is a machine. With high-end loads like Lapua Midas Plus, sub-minute groups under 0.6 inches at 50 yards are absolutely doable. Even with affordable rounds like CCI Standard Velocity, it stays tight, often keeping them under 1 inch. The synthetic stock here deserves special mention. It's reinforced with structural webbing along the forend. This means it holds firm under bipod pressure and resists the kind of flexing that plagues cheaper polymer stocks. The trigger is fully adjustable, from a 4-pound break all the way down to a crisp 2-pound pull. And the best part is, you don't have to pull the action out of the stock to make that adjustment. Maintenance is dead simple. A single captured screw releases the bolt, and you can remove the firing pin without needing any tools or punches. Dual extractors grip and yank spent brass with authority, and the magazine release has a solid, positive feel. If you're training for centerfire hunting or long-range matches, the T1X is the rimfire trainer you've been looking for. It's durable, accurate, and refined way beyond its price tag. Number 3. Bergara BMR. When you're hiking steep country or working a trap line, the last thing you want is a rifle that feels like you're carrying a cinder block. That's where the Bergara BMR comes in. Tipping the scales at just about 5 pounds, this rifle is incredibly light, but it hits with heavyweight performance. Thanks to its carbon-wrapped barrel which dissipates heat and dampens vibration, this bolt action delivers accuracy that most rifles in its weight class can't touch. You can expect to pay around $650 for one. What you get is a highly refined rimfire that borrows its DNA directly from Bergara's centerfire rifles. With SK rifle match ammo, I was holding groups right around 0.75 at 50 yards. When I switched to Lapua Center X, those groups shrank to roughly 0.55. That is a serious achievement for a field weight rifle. The action is a true centerfire style design, with twin locking lugs, a reel extractor, and a camming bolt for a proper lockup. The trigger is a single-stage unit that breaks at about 2.5 pounds, with no creep and no over-travel. The synthetic stock, while light, resists flexing and maintains your point of impact, even as the barrel heats up. I ran 4 magazines through it in quick succession on a 95-degree day, and that carbon barrel kept my zero shift under a 1/4 inch. It comes with a factory-installed 30-minute of angle scope rail, letting you dial your elevation for long shots. Think 200 yards and beyond. And because it takes standard AICS pattern magazines, you are not locked into expensive proprietary gear. The Bergara BMR is a lightweight, hard hitter that's just as comfortable in the field as it is on the firing line. Number 2. Savage B22 FV-SR. Do not sleep on the Savage B22 FV-SR. It might come in at a wallet-friendly $380, but this rifle punches way above its weight class. Savage includes their outstanding AccuTrigger system, which I've got tuned on mine to break clean at 2 pounds with zero creep. That is easily match-grade trigger performance in a budget-friendly rifle. This rifle features a 16 1/4 inch carbon steel bull barrel, and it comes pre-threaded at 1/2 by 28 right from the factory. That means it is suppressor-ready the second you buy it. No gunsmith required. During a 100-yard accuracy test with Remington Ely match, my best 3-shot group came in at just over 0.15 minute of angle, and the 5-group average hovered right around 0.7. The handling on this rifle is a major strong point. The short, thick barrel keeps the balance centered right between your hands, making it incredibly nimble for offhand shots or for maneuvering in tight spaces. If you're working through dense brush, that compact footprint is a huge asset. While the stock is polymer, it's reinforced and doesn't flex under pressure, even when you load up a bipod. The bolt cycles smoothly, the rotary magazines feed without a single hiccup, and the factory-installed rail on top gets your scope mounted perfectly. For shooters on a budget who still demand precision, the B22 FV-SR is more than just good for the money. It's just plain good. Number 1. Ruger American Target. If you're ready to move up from basic backyard shooting and want a rifle that can seriously hang at the range, the Ruger American Target is where I recommend most shooters start. Priced at roughly $510, it's a serious performer that won't empty your bank account. This bolt action features a heavy, free-floating barrel that's secured in Ruger's power bedding system, which ensures rock-solid consistency, shot after shot. With CCI standard velocity, this rifle will stay under 1 minute of angle all day long, with 5-shot groups at 50 yards averaging about 0.9. The laminated stock is clearly designed for bench shooters. Its flat bottom rides a rear bag perfectly, and the bolt's 60-degree throw gives you ample scope clearance without ever feeling sloppy. That squared-off rear toe on the stock locks in against a sandbag for repeatable precision over long-shot strings. The trigger is Ruger's Marksman adjustable model. I dialed mine down to a clean 3-pound break, and that change alone tightened up my vertical groups by nearly a 1/4 inch. It uses the standard BX1 magazine that feeds smoothly and sits flush with the stock. If you want one rimfire that can pull double duty at the range and in the squirrel woods, and still leave you with enough money for a decent optic, the Ruger American Target absolutely delivers. And that wraps up 6 of the most accurate, refined rimfire rifles on the market today. Whether you're out hunting, dialing in for long-range plinking, or testing yourself on paper, these rifles deliver performance where it counts. Drop your favorite rimfire in the comments below. Tell us what you're running and how it shoots. Hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world firearm breakdowns, and we'll see you on the range.